Jenga Classic Game with Genuine Hardwood Blocks is a timeless stacking tower game that is perfect for one or more players. This game is designed for kids ages 6 and up and provides hours of fun and excitement. The game is made up of 54 genuine hardwood blocks that are stacked to form a tower. The objective of the game is to remove one block at a time from the tower and place it on top without causing the tower to topple over. Jenga is a game that requires skill and strategy, as each block that is removed can cause the tower to become more unstable. Players must carefully consider their moves and decide which block to remove in order to maintain the stability of the tower. The game is easy to set up and can be played in any location, making it perfect for family game night, parties, or even a quiet night at home. The blocks are made from high-quality hardwood, ensuring that they are durable and will last for many years of use. Jenga Classic Game with Genuine Hardwood Blocks is a fun and exciting game that is perfect for kids and adults alike. Whether you are looking for a new game to play with your family or are simply looking for a fun way to pass the time, Jenga is the perfect choice. This is how to play Jenga with Block Tower game. First, set up the tower. Begin by placing 3 blocks side by side in a row, alternating the direction of each block. Then place 3 more blocks on top of these, perpendicularly. Keep building the tower in this way, 3 blocks at a time, until you have 18 levels of 3 blocks each. Second, start the game. Once the tower is built, the first player takes a turn by removing 1 block from anywhere in the tower, except the top, and placing it on top of the tower. The player must use only one hand and may not touch any other blocks during their turn. Third, continue playing. Players take turns removing and placing blocks one at a time, building the tower higher and higher. The game becomes increasingly challenging as the tower becomes more unstable with each block that is removed. Fourth, end the game. The game ends when the tower falls. The player who caused the tower to fall is the loser. Jenga Classic Game is a simple yet challenging game that requires skill and strategy. It's perfect for players of all ages and skill levels, making it a great addition to any game night or family gathering.